Hello students, let's read the problem. And it says, Jacob has saved $50 in his piggy bank while his brother Andrew has saved $77. Jacob adds $8 each week and Andrew $5. Which equation can be used to determine the number of weeks X in which both of them have the same amount of money saved? Okay, so what is it that I'm looking for? Well, I want to find out any question, right, that will show that both of them have the same amount of money. Okay, so that's basically what I need. So if I go back to the question, we're gonna look at two people here, right? We're talking about Jacob, and it says that he already saved the $50, right? And then we have Andrew, and it says that he already saved $77, right? Now, what happens after that? Well, it says that Jacob is adding $8 each week, okay? And it says that Andrew is adding $5 each week. Now, it's very important that we know what number goes with who or with what. Is that right? So we're going to say this is going to be Jacob and this is going to be Andrew, right? And I want an equation that shows both of them having the same amount of money. Therefore, I am going to use the equal sign. Okay, so I'm going to come back and say, well, Jacob, I can see the numbers that goes with Jacob because I use green for that, right? So Jacob starts with $50 in the piggy bank, and he's adding $8 each week. And it says here that each week is going to represent the X, right? So if you add, of course, that's a plus, and he's adding 8 per week, which is 8x. Okay, now look at Andrew. Well, Andrew started with how much money? $77, but he's also adding, right? But he's adding only $5 a week, so that will be 5x. And believe it or not, that's all we need to do. So what's going to be important here is when you read the word problem, make sure that you identify who or what numbers goes with Jacob in this case and what numbers goes with Andrew. You can circle them or you can underline if you don't have a highlighter, right? It's up to you. So let's look at the answer choices. So letter A cannot be true because the 50 has a what? It has an X, right? And no, it should not have an X. Who's supposed to have the X? The 8. Very good. How about letter B? Oh, it says the 50 and it has the X again. So nope, that cannot be an answer. What about letter C? Well, letter C looks fine, right? It has the 50, the plus 8x, the 77, and the 5x, right? Yeah, that looks like a good one. What about letter D? No, because letter D also has the what? The 50x, okay? So that cannot be my answer. Therefore, my answer for this has to be letter C. Very good. That matches exactly my equation. Good.